Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1969 Camaro Z28. It's finished in Cortez silver with a black stripe. I got Mike here, the owner, is going to tell us a little bit about it. How are you doing today, Mike?
Good, doing very good.
Yeah, what a beautiful day, huh?
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Freaking perfect.
Yeah.
So tell us about it.
Okay, it's a 69 Z28. We got a DZ302 small block motor.
Cool.
11-1 compression on this, solid lifter cam.
Yeah.
We got a 4-speed transmission, Muncie. We got 373 rear end. We got a Hurst Shifter. It's all original as far as interior wise and motor wise.
Wow.
Yeah, I got
Interior is original, huh?
yeah.
Cool.
We did 20 years ago. There was a rotisserie restoration done on this vehicle.
Yeah, I like when the when the restorations are done in that time frame because the only things that were available were OEM parts.
Exactly.
So you have to scour everywhere and calls and things in the paper and Carlisle and
Yes, under the hood, all period correct.
Cool.
We got a 780 double pump of Holley DZ carburetor.
Cool.
All the belts and pulleys are all original. It's all factory correct.
Yeah.
Rally wheels, white leather tires.
Beautiful.
Yeah, the Z28 is a beauty.
It really is.
Very
You got
strong.
the chambered exhaust and all that as well?
Chambered exhaust, all of it, all no headers, just stock, completely
Cool.
stock.
Well, that's what everyone wants.
Yeah.
Man, this interior is gorgeous.
Yeah, all the gauges work, even the clock.
That is fantastic. Cowl Hood.
Yes.
Favorite color, Cortez silver.
Cortez is the wanted color.
Yeah, right down to the T3 headlights, huh?
Oh yeah.
Beautiful straight body.
Yeah, it's nice and clean.
Yeah, that's some piece. Let's check out under the hood.
Sure.
There she is. Wow, you never seen with the cast iron manifold with the correct shielding and everything.
Yes.
Man, right down to the chalk mark.
We got everything period correct on this.
Yeah, GM hoses, tower clamps.
Yep. We got disc brakes on it.
Cool. Even the correct manifold. The spider webbing and everything. There she is. Very cool. Double hump heads.
Yeah.
Man, these motors are such screamers,
Strong.
right?
They rev up. Amazing.
Yeah, very cool.
Very strong little motor.
Beautiful example. Gorgeous straight body.
You gotta see the trunk in this thing.
Oh yeah? Let me check it out. Oh my God. The correct spare in here and everything.
Oh yeah.
That is fantastic. This even looks like original houndstooth.
It's the original,
mat.
yeah.
Yeah.
What they used in how it came out of the factory.
Yeah. The replacement mats don't look anything like this.
No.
They're something that's said about originality on these cars.
That's what
you want.
That's what you want, right?
Yeah. An original interior. I don't think I've ever seen one with an original interior.
Yeah, with the Astro ventilation.
Yeah.
AM radio.
That's how they did it, right?
Yeah, man. It was...
Nice dash. So this had to have been a collector piece since new.
Yeah.
Love the rally gauges, man. So cool.
All the glass is good, nice and clean.
Yeah, very nice felts in here and everything. What a beautiful piece. You fire it up.
Sure.
Power disc brakes up front. And that chambered exhaust sounds so good. It really does, Mike.
Nice and steady there.
Yep.
So it's got some sound to it.
It really does. Got the correct turn spoiler there too.
Yes. And the fins on the side here. Okay. 69. Okay.
Man, it sounds so good. It's every man's dream right here. How long have you owned it?
I got it 3 years now.
Cool. Man. Really checks that list. I love how all the lights work and everything.
Yeah.
You know, right down to the correct GM seatbelts.
Yeah.
You know? I like how they put the cigarette lighter at the back for the kids.
Yes. That's right.
Yeah, what a-
Perfect, guys. I'm good.
Classic piece of Americana right there.
That's the muscle top.
That is it. And what a car. Very cool. Go for a quick ride?
Sure.
Man, it sounds so good. Love the whine out of that Muncie too. Rock Crusher, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, man. Very cool. Love it. The clock's ticking away too.
Isn't that great?
Yeah. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a shout, 631-339-0399. Took about 200 photos today, too. You can check them out on our website, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.